I got packages to drop off, and then we eat. All right, looks like I got some cards from Laura, Linda, and a package from John of John's Conscious Life. So we'll open those a little bit later. What did you get on this?
I got tomato, onion, corn. I think the onions are pickled. Romaine, rice noodles. I think I got pickled cabbage too. And then the Thai chili dressing.
And of course, silly me, I didn't introduce, this is Josh. This is Big Josh Vegan. This is my friend that we're doing a little series with. Went from meat eater to vegan overnight, and this is his first month being a vegan. So I'm taking him out now to get some food that's a little bit on the healthier side. So we're at Core Life Eatery in Syracuse, New York, and this is the first time he's been here. So we're gonna see how he likes the food here. I got the rice, the spinach, and edamame, tofu, Thai cashew dressing, beets, cranberries, and there's probably something else in there I'm forgetting. All right, so what did you think of your lunch at Core?
It was awesome. Like I said, I would do it without the rice noodle next time, and I forgot to say earlier too that I did put the rice in it. But yeah, the rice noodle wasn't good, but the rest of it was really good, and I'm glad I added some vinegar to it afterwards with the Thai chili dressing.
So you would go there again?
Oh yeah.
Yeah.
Absolutely. I would go there all the time. Salads, normally, salad is one of my favorite meals. Like I said before, I used to put meat on it, but
and that's not your average salad. You got like a lot of protein in there and nutrients and greens.
I got full halfway through, which for me is like not normal. Not normal at all.
All right, so Big Josh had to go, and so we didn't finish our video yesterday, but it's the next day right now, and I'm with Josh, and I started out the day pretty early, for me at least, real early actually, and I made a juice in my juicer, and I want to see if, I made one for Josh, so let's see if he likes it. I was going to make some tofu scramble too, but he says that, you know, the medicine makes him not really hungry and stuff, so, but we are going to Bargain Grocery again. You guys saw that video recently where I went there and showed you a bunch of stuff. We're gonna shop for some healthy things, some cheap produce, hopefully, and that's about an hour drive, so we're gonna do that. You've been eating some like not really healthy food, even though it's been vegan. So
yeah, it's all been vegan. It's just been really processed and unhealthy.
So we're gonna try to change that. Hopefully you like this juice that I made. I guess you could start the day up with that. I was gonna make a smoothie too. I made a small smoothie for myself and I had a little bit of juice, but I gave you the majority of it. Hopefully you like it. If you don't, just plug your nose and drink it.
I'll finish it. Okay. I'm excited for the juice because...
Let's go see it. I strained it. I made it in my slow start juicer right here. It's in a mason jar. It's healthy, so try it out. Just
I can't. It doesn't smell like.
Well, you gotta open it. It's carrot, celery, and lemon.
So, I mean, it smells really good.
Yeah, it's not bad. It's not disgusting. You can taste that it's healthy.
I taste mostly the carrot.
Yeah. A whole stalk of celery, a whole bag of carrot.
It's got a little bitterness to it, but...
Well, I put that lemon in there.
Yeah. Lemon?
Because, well, you were telling me you liked your salad to be more vinegary and stuff, so I put a little bit of I put 2 lemons in it, so...
Yeah. It's really good.
Yeah, so hopefully
I'm happy with it.
That makes you feel a little bit better with your blood sugar or something. I don't know, there's not really many sugars in it, but it's healthy.
Can I bring it with us?
Yeah,
all right.
Let's go.
Let's do it.
There's the doggies. We got a couple of them right here. The last of the juice. So you actually really liked it.
Like really liked it. Really, really liked it.
So we're gonna try to get you to eat good all day.
Hopefully for the next couple of days.
Yeah.
Well, hopefully forever, really.
Yeah.
I definitely need to eat better for sure.
Maybe I'll prick my finger later today and see what my blood sugar is. All right, we're at Bargain Grocery. I'm with Rachel and Josh. All right, they got my favorite bread here. Oh, they have the O1, and it's only $2.50 each. And they have my favorite one, French Peasant. It's only $2.50. I feel like I should grab a couple. Put one in the freezer. All right, we're getting 2 French Peasant, Heidelberg. $15 for these. got carrots. I'm gonna juice those. Maybe I'll give some to John. I'm gonna make some carrot juice. And Indy and Zeke love carrots. 50 pounds? Oh yeah, they did. It's like 50 pounds. In case you don't want a lot of carrots. Look at how big these sweet potatoes are. I mean, we've already done this in another video, but I mean, come on. They're freaking huge. Oh, and there's the beets. I don't need beets. But the dragon fruits are pretty cheap here. They're only $1.99. Should we go on? Dragon fruit, $1.99. We're gonna try this. Limes are 5 for $1. $5 for a whole 6-pack of Kite Hill jalapeno. Hearts of romaine, 50 cents. Grab one of those. We got some soybean sprouts for 50 cents. And, some triple wash spinach for $1. It looks good, non-GMO. Alright, so I made a boo-boo. I threw the soybean sprouts from over there into the cart, and then check this out. Check it out. They came open. Yeah, I'd like to go. We made a mess. Who made a mess? Chris made a mess. We can find out if they're fresh. Brand new Chobani oat milk, plain. I'm gonna get it just because I've never heard of it. And the Oya, and also the Go Veggie vegan cheese. So that's $2.50. We're gonna try that. Oh my God, they got Natalie's. Okay, so I met her at Expo. These are wicked good. How much are they? $2. I'm gonna get the blood orange. This is a blood orange. Super good. Kite Hill for 99 cents. We got ranch and jalapeno. The chickens that you like, Josh. We're trying to eat healthy though. Really healthy. Okay, so not on the healthy side, but you know, still got the Annie's Vegan Mac for 99 cents. Do you like those?
My favorite.
Okay, I got this last time. It was really good. I'm gonna grab it again. Only $2.50 for the arborio rice. We have $4 oatmeal, GFB oatmeal. 50 cents for a pack of olives. How much is the whole box? Is the box still like $4?
Yeah.
All right, I'm gonna grab one of these. How many subscribers you got?
775.
Let's turn that into 1,000. Total came to 55. We didn't have any reusable bags with us today, so we kind of gotta remember next time. What are we making now? We're gonna make some breakfast?
Everything, because I'm starving.
Yeah, me too. Gave the dogs some carrots, the bread. We got some fresh produce there. I did grab the dragon fruit here. And a few other things. We got the olives, a couple different kinds of olives there. The arborio rice. But we gotta close this video out because Josh has to get to sleep because he's gonna be driving all night. And it's not fun to drive when you are on no sleep. Before that, we're gonna see what Josh is, we're gonna have him do his blood. You know, he's a diabetic and hopefully it's under, what, 130 or something?
130, yeah.
All right, so what do we got going here?
Obviously, we just have to be sterile.
We're sterile here. He's got his little...
They're just alcohol pads.
Alcohol pads. And so this little contraption right there is gonna prick you in the finger?
Yep.
And you love that, right?
Yeah, it's my favorite. Especially if it doesn't work like 2, 3, 4, 5 times. Usually I've got it down to the science now, so. Okay, so you put this in here, and I always wait to put it the rest of the way in, because if you put it all the way in and this doesn't work the first time, then the strip goes bad after like, I don't know.
Do you think I could do it? Could I do it after?
Absolutely, absolutely. Right. I got tons of the little Lancet things.
Maybe I can check my blood after him. There we go. Oh, pricked him. Got a little bit of blood there.
So you put that in there.
And then you just touch it to that?
And then you just kind of wait for the little water droplet thing to come up. That's probably a drop of blood, but... And then you touch the blood to it till it beeps.
And then the number will come up. 119.
119.
Oh, not bad at all.
That's awesome.
That's good for
That's
you,
real
right?
good. That's real good.
Real good.
Anything.
So, and today you've had, what did you have for breakfast?
I I had a bunch of fruit, which I really should probably eat minimal amounts of fruit just because of the natural sugars.
And then you finished the juice I made you.
I drank the juice you made. We had some olives, and that's about it.
I wanted to make you some tofu scramble, but
yeah,
you got to get to bed. So if you're hungry when you get up and I'm still around, then maybe we'll have some lunch.
Then yeah, I'm excited for that.
Should I try this?
Yeah.
We got to be sterile here. So you have a brand new needle?
Right there. Brand new pack.
Okay, so we're gonna do my blood.
Brand new alcohol wipe. All the new Lancets come just like that. This is a brand new one. So that's how they come. Then you just take that cap off.
So that's sterile. I'm not gonna get your blood on mine?
Nope.
No, okay. Well, but is that good? You're a nurse. There's a nurse behind.
Yeah, as long as it's new Lancet.
Just whatever finger you clean, I always just blow on it because then the alcohol doesn't go in through the needle.
We don't want that to happen. I hate needles too.
So then you just touch it to your finger and press the little button right there.
This button?
Yep.
You're right, it is a mind thing. Because I'm like, oh, that doesn't seem bad, but now I'm
Make
thinking.
sure you like firmly do it.
Yeah, it's all.
Oh my God.
Yeah.
Does it hurt?
You want to do it like kind of up towards like.
Oh man, is it gonna hurt afterwards? It's just a needle, Chris.
No.
And I press that?
Yep.
I can't.
Let me do it for you.
I can't. Well, no, I'll do it. I just press it?
Just press the button.
Oh my God, is it gonna hurt?
No.
Okay.
You're barely gonna feel
Don't
it.
pull back.
Okay, here we go.
Yep.
I can't.
Yeah.
It's like trying to jump with a bungee.
Yeah, that's exactly what it is.
It's just, okay, hold on, here we go. Here we go. It's just a needle. It's just gonna.
It's not even barely a needle.
Do I hold it tight against my hand?
Yeah, I mean you don't press in like you're.
Why is this so scary? Okay, here we go.
Yeah, just
Here we go.
touch it to your finger and then push the button.
God, dude! Why is this so hard? Okay, here we go. Here we go. Oh my God, do it.
Oh! Now squeeze it so the blood comes out.
Oh my God, I did it.
Wait. And then now
get
touch
down
it to
here,
the
get down here.
black. Touch it to the black side right there.
Right up here?
Nope, see where the little thing pokes out right there on the side of it? Yep, just touch it. Yep, and you're good. Now you just clean your finger off and 80.
80?
It's like
Is that
perfect.
good?
That's real good. Anything 70 to 130.
That's like ninja blood. That means I'm not a diabetic. Can we do Indy? Just kidding. He's perfect in every way. It's Nurse Rachel. So Nurse Rachel is going to do it too.
So I'm just going to turn this back.
If I could turn back
to the 2 because I really think it's going to hurt on a 3.
Is that what Chris had his?
At 3, yeah.
I had mine on 3?
Yeah.
What the heck? Oh, you did it.
Get it?
We didn't even get it.
Is that enough?
Yeah, that's enough.
Yep.
All right, she's
And
going to do
just
it.
touch it to the little black thing that sticks out on the side right there.
All right, Magic Genie. She just ate.
Oh.
Yeah.
Oh, you got one under me.
Yeah, it doesn't. As long as your body's producing on a normal basis, it shouldn't ever go like high.
So sorry we're cutting the video short, but I need to go edit it now so you guys can see it. Yes, we filmed this video on the very day that you're watching it. The very day that, well, maybe you're not watching it the same day, but it was uploaded the same day that we filmed it. Please go over and give Big Josh Vegan some love and follow him over on his channel. I'll link it below. He's trying to get to that 1,000 mark. He's doing really well so far.
I'm almost there.
Yeah. So he's gonna have. He will have some videos coming out soon. More updates. I'm gonna be helping him do that because he's staying here for a while.
I can't wait to see everybody, or I can't wait for everybody to see me, Big Josh Vegan.
And just comment below what you guys want to see next from us. Following his journey has been pretty fun. We're gonna do more of what I eat in a day. He's eating more healthy foods now, so. You know, all that good stuff. Also, tomorrow is the last day that you can pre-order my Be Good to Animals Vegan Zombie t-shirt. So, also that will be below. Anyway, that's it. Subscribe, survive, watch out for zombies, and I'll see you guys soon. Oh, and I almost forgot to open the packages here. So, let's start with the green one. It's a really nice calligraphy. This is, ooh, look at that. German Shepherd. on a car. This is a happy birthday card from Laura. Thank you, Laura. Cheers to the next 100 years. Thank you, Laura. And there's a cool dog that represents Indy, but she says Indy's way cuter. All right, the next card is from Linda. Oh, wow. Inside this birthday card is a $100 bill. Nope, there's not. There's actually a $50 bill, which is just as amazing. So it's a birthday card from Linda. You did not have to do that. Thank you. Thank you so much. I will use it on something good. And then this last one is from John. Oh, wow, we have a beanie. An ET beanie. Look at that. And is this homemade? This might actually be. Look at that. Yes, it might actually be homemade. ET beanie. Is there any instructions with it? No instructions. Phone home. John, seriously, thank you. That's an awesome beanie. We all know that ET is my favorite movie. If you guys don't, I got some ET stuff up here. I got some ET stuff over here. And I got a lot of ET memories up here. So thank you all. I really appreciate it. It means a lot to me.